Today's video is for entertainment and educational purpose only. So due diligence must be taken before investing in the stock market. Why? Because the stock market is risky, so do some research before investing in the stock market. Let's talk about Sensonics Holding Inc. Ticker symbol SENS. It's an American company. The headquarters is in Maryland. This company produces implantable continuous glucose monitoring system for people with diabetes. So you call it the CGM. This is a breakthrough technology. So not only is it a high tech, but it helps to control, and monitor glucose, so which means, give people the opportunity to live longer with diabetes. This is a company with great potential. I will say 2 to 3 years, something to hold. First, we're going to talk about the products. So we'll talk about the CGM. We're going to do some data analysis, technical and fundamental. And then we'll see what the future holds. If I'm buying or if I'm not buying. So stick till the end. You're probably going to like what I got for you. My YouTube analytics shows that over 75% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel yet. So please press on the red juicy subscribe button and smash the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Again, they are creators of the first and only long-term implantable CGM, continuous glucose monitoring. If we can scroll down, so that's how it's implanted. And then you can sense, transmit, and you monitor. So it's a high-tech 3-level technology. If we look at it carefully, it's the world's only long-term CGM system. At the moment, 90 days CGM system. So it's already approved. It was approved way back. You can monitor it for 90 days. And now it's all over the news because they went back to the FDA for a 180 days approval. So that will make it 6 months to be able to implant it, control, monitor your glucose level. So this is a company, not just high tech, but it saves lives, like patients who are with diabetes. So I look at it as a 1 to 3 years potential. So let's see how it works. Again, you can see here, Eversense provides continuous blood glucose monitoring for up to 90 days via an under-the-skin sensor, a removable and rechargeable smart transmitter, and a convenient app for real-time diabetes monitoring and management. So let's look here. We have the sensor, which is professionally inserted by your healthcare provider. We have the transmitter, removable, rechargeable, water resistance, the ones that goes, in your arm. And then you have the mobile app. So this can be a watch, can have a watch, or you have a tablet, or you have any gadget. So it receives real-time glucose measurement on your compatible mobile phone or smartwatch. No need for a separate receiver. So again, 3-level device. 3-level device. So now, why don't we hop up to a video and let's see how you implant it and how you transmit it and how you can monitor it from your device. So it's a muted video. I'm going to play it. So that's it, implanted. Okay, yeah, president. So you have it there, and now it will monitor, and gum, that's where you take your measurement. So I think it's a high tech, and this is a company again, 2, 3 years, 4 years potential. Initially, people were controlling their glucose level by using the finger picking or the finger sticks. And now you have a device where you just implant it. Isn't that cool? It sends, it transmits, and you can monitor it and measure it. So it helps monitor and control the glucose level. So that being said, we will be heading over to do some data, technical and fundamental analysis. Let's look at some charts and see where it stands right now, because the share price is still under $2. So why don't we check that out? To learn how to invest in the stock market like a pro, I mean like a real pro, enroll to my online course today, which is called Growing Well with Stocks. The link is in the description below. So looking at some data, as we can see right now, the share price is $1.89. As of Friday, it went down, it went down 0.02, so 2.02 cents at a negative return of 1.05%. Their market cap is over 800 million. PE ratio, no PE ratio, they don't pay any dividends. So if you're a dividend investor, Sensonic, they don't pay dividends. 52-week low and high, it's pretty much started from 35 cents and it moved up to the highest it has gone is $5.56. So at one point it was considered a penny stock. So let's look at 1 month, how they've performed. What about 6 months? Again, it was going up, it was doing good. By mid-February 16, it was 527. And then to start looking bad, it started crumbling down. And now it's at 189 cents. So again, something to consider. To know and understand which stock to buy, which is fundamental analysis, to also know when to sell the stock, which is technical analysis, plus one-on-one phone call with me and a portfolio update, join my Patreon group, link in the description below. So let's hop over to do some technical analysis. So here we have some candlestick. Let me go up and see if I can change. I can change the lines to another candlestick. No, let's do a line. Okay, line makes it more clear. So again, this is 1 year. Went right up to over $5. Let's look at 6 months still, 3 months still. Again, it's settling down at 189 cents. Let's add some indicators. Let's go in and add some indicators. So first, I will add moving average. So we can see the moving average. And then I will also add, I like the Bollinger Band, which can show you a little bit the support and the resistance. So when we look at it closely, at this point you can see a lower support around below, around $1.59. And then if you go up, the resistance, you still have a 2.29, 2.30 resistance. So it's trying to break that resistance, but hey, it is what it is. So at the moment, $1.89. Let's see if I can add another indicator. EMA, exponential moving average. So those are some indicators that tells you when you can buy and stuff like that. The Bollinger Band normally tells you if anytime it hits the upper band, what happens is that, you know, the buying power and the selling power overshadows the buying power, so it starts selling off, so it's coming down. So that's what I wanted to talk about when it comes to Sensonic. Again, company with potential. I will look at it 1, 2, 3 years time. I will not rush to sell it now. I will just keep it sitting there. Just a quick disclaimer, I do own these shares. Ticker symbol SENS. Yes, so this brings us to the end of this video. Please give me thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't. You know, again, this company, they are going in for another FDA approval for 180 days for glucose continuous monitoring. They already had the 90 days, now they are going in. So you might see a big hype or a bubble if that is kind of approved, you know. So stay tuned. I'll see you on the next video. Let's go out there and make some money. Have a nice day. Goodbye.